Hi, today we're going to look at this doctor chair which I purchased from Doctor Chairs, and this is we will try to compare it with the Hayward chair which I purchased separately. So I purchased one butterfly model and one jazz model. So these are the two chairs. Two chairs. This is I think this is butterfly and that is jazz. This model, you see, this is of metal base. This comes with a metal base. Both the chairs comes with a metal base, very strong metal base, chromium plated. And this is the maximum higher level where you can maximum higher level. And this armrest movement, I think you will have to make additional payment of 999. It will cost you additional of 999, and it has step adjustment like 1 2 3 4 5 until 6 you have. So these are the adjustments you can make. Here in the headrest you will not be able to make any changes, like height adjustment is not possible or removing is not possible. And here but you will be able to adjust this. Yes, you can make movements in this way. The material used is of a high quality. Material is of high quality, looking neat. The stitches are looking neat. No thread coming out or something like that. It is looking very clean. And this is the lumberjack support. This is how you make changes or adjustment to the lumberjack support. You can make, this is the maximum lower level, and this is the maximum higher level. And when you don't want, you may have, you can actually flip it out. This armrest adjustment, like moving backward and forward, is bit of difficult. I don't know why, maybe it is new or something. And whenever you make adjustment to this armrest, you have a lot of plastic particles keep falling down, and it is spoiling my tiles. I don't know when it will get solved, but this maybe it's once it is, the chair is becoming a little bit old or something, maybe 1 or 2 months, then I will not face this. So this is the maximum height, and this is a IKEA table which I'm using. And this is how you make changes, or you can lock the back support like this with the lever under the seat. These are the adjustment which is available. And this is the maximum higher level of the chair. The material used in this butterfly as well as jazz, both are really good. The lower level of the chair comes around 19 inches. Yeah, it's 19 inches, 19. And the other chair also the same height at the lower level. Here in this other chair you might make changes, like height adjustment of the headrest and strength of the headrest. I mean backward and forward strength, and you can move forward and backward. I mean you can do these changes as well. So but in this chair you will not be able to do any changes apart from this movement. That is the difference. The lumberjack support, this is the maximum adjustment you can do till here, and maybe you can adjust the strength of this lumberjack support movement. Here you can make this is the maximum lower level and maximum higher level in this chair. The comfort wise both are same, exactly same, no difference at all. And the armrest, cushion, the mesh, whatever they have used, wheelbase, wheels, everything, both are same, nothing different. I don't see any difference at all, both the chairs. And the lever for up and down, and the same lever can be used to adjust the backrest. And you can lock it wherever you want. Even this chair has the same height, maybe half-inch higher. This is the maximum lower level height of this chair. And now we will look at this or compare it with the Hayward chair. Okay, this Hayward chair I purchased it separately. This is of plastic base. This chair is of plastic base. This height, as per the cushion, it is 18, and of doctor chair, and this is the armrest for Hayward chair. The adjustment is very easy, so simple, and you can make adjustments with just one finger. So you see, in this Hayward chair, my leg completely goes inside or under the table. So this is so comfortable for me, and in my house we all feel this is so comfortable. And this is the back support which is available in Hayward chair. You see, it comes till the mid of my back. And in doctor chair, the lumberjack support covers to only the lower back. Both the chairs cover only till the lower back, but it will not come till the mid level. So that is one problem. And if you look at the base, this is of plastic. Hayward comes with a plastic. It is durable or a good quality plastic. It is strong. It is strong. We are using it for past 1 year. We don't have any issues. Plastic base. I don't know where to buy it right now. Maybe because of this rod which is just popping out, we will be able to get the maximum lower level around 18 inches. That is really good. Feel comfortable. This one in doctor chair, we don't have that thing. It is not popping out. When you purchase this chair, definitely don't forget to remove this plastics, because few plastic pieces got into the wheels, and doctor chair scratched my tiles. So don't forget to remove that plastics. And wheels movement is of buttery smooth in all three chairs, and especially doctor chair, it is so smooth. You don't feel your chair is moving. And the base is of metal base, strong chromium plated metal base. This is what actually I'm talking about, the height difference. So this makes a lot of sense. So this Hayward chair can go under the doctor chair, and this is our preferred height. Maybe you according to your work, you might prefer to have a doctor chair at this height, but we like it 1 inch lower level. Thank you for watching. So this is the bill which I have purchased, and which cost me around 7,800. Thanks for watching. Bye.